But I want to thank God for my wife.
Neebaliza Katonda mukyala wange.
My children.
Abaana bange.
The church.
Ekkanisa.
And I want to thank God for this lady.
Neebaliza Katonda maama ono, maama wa Musaasizi.
Because many of you probably you still remember.
Abamusondoza mujjukira.
Every day.
Buli lunaku.
There was always a new program.
Waliwo program empya ezze.
New headline on newspapers.
Omutwe gw'osanga ku makya ku mawulire.
I remember
Nzijukira.
We were taking the kids to school. And that's when she told me, because our kids were young.
Abaana bali bakyala tutwala batwala mu ssomero.
It's been a long time.
Ekiseera kiyise.
8 years?
From
7. It's amazing. The 7, God revisits the issues.
Emyaka 7 giyise Katonda n'abikomyawo.
And I remember they asked a question
abaana bambuuza ekibuuzo
because they saw the headline
on
red paper.
Ku red paper.
They said, Pastor Kayanja's homosexuality secrets revealed. And I don't remember whether it was Christian or her. We were taking them to school. And one of them asked, he said, hey Dad, you're in the newspaper. Because I could put my picture so big. And one of them asked me, said, what is homosexuality? And she said to me, said, don't take the kids to school again. I will do that. You know what? Yeah. Though we pass through the valley of the shadow of death, we will fear no evil. I want to thank God this lady. Because she came up by herself. At that time, the mother of
Mama
and we begin to see the headline that there is a lady who's coming up to claim. Again, what hurts most is your own child to deny you. Because he was misled. I pray that God will forgive the church and forgive us as pastors. You all of you, some of you don't remember maybe, but these things to some of us are like yesterday. Whenever someone raises them up. But I remember having written my 40-something statement at the police. And having came out of the police surgeon for medical check-up and tests. And through the court case. And I thank God. People worked so hard on this case. It reached highest level. Seriously.